Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get access to Google Bard here, which is the Google Bard is the new chatbot of the Google here. So as you can see, Bard is not currently supported in my country here. So if this happened to you, you need to go to the Chrome browser here and add a free VPN extension here. So add this free VPN extension here, then go to a new tab here and close all the tab here. And if I go to the extension and turn on the VPN here, and you need to select the United States here. So just click on it, and my VPN is now connected to the United States right now. So if I go to the Bard here, Google Bard here, then go to the bard.google.com here, click on the bard.google.com. And as you can see, there is no more restriction for me now. I can join the waitlist here. So if I just click on join waitlist here, so you just have to confirm that if you want to join the waitlist here. So just click on it and click on yes, I'm in here. And as you can see, my email have been added to the waitlist here. So just click on got it, and that's it. You have been added to the waitlist. So that's it, guys. This is how you can access Bard chatbot or join the waitlist in the Bard here. So if you have the problem or restriction of your country, you can just use the VPN extension here and you can join the waitlist here. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.